Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Wireshark latest stable release on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, so first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu links, that is Firefox. Then go to Wireshark official website, it is wireshark.org. Click on download, then click on Ubuntu. To install we have to run these two statements like adding apt repository and updating packages. So copy this one. It is going to add the PPA, that is Wireshark PPA, to my machine. Okay, open terminal, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Control A. Now install Wireshark. Sudo apt install Wireshark. Type and hit enter. Select yes and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. See here we have the Wireshark. Click on it to open. Then verify the version. Go to help about Wireshark. See, we have installed Wireshark version number 4.6.6. Okay. If you want to capture the packets, provide the filter here or select from this list. Then you need to click on this start capturing packets. You can go through the documentation and you can practice. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install Wireshark latest version, that is 4.6.6 on Ubuntu 24.04. But the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.